In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Microsoft Teams group name. If you want to keep your chats organized or update a group name so it better matches its purpose, Microsoft Teams makes this pretty quick to do. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where you will find your conversations and group chats. Make sure you're in the correct area before moving on, since the option to rename the group will only appear when you open the specific chat you want to edit. Once you're in chat, select the team or group that you want to rename. Take a moment here to confirm that you've opened the right conversation, especially if you have several chats with similar names. Renaming the correct group helps avoid confusion for everyone involved. After opening the group, look at the top of the chat window where the current team name appears. Next to that name, you should see a pencil icon. Click the pencil icon to begin editing the name. This is the shortcut Teams provides for making changes to the group title. Now enter the new team name. Try to choose something clear and recognizable so members can easily identify the purpose of the group. For example, a descriptive name can make it much easier to find later in your chat list. If you're renaming it for a project, department, or event, keep the wording simple and consistent with your other group names. Once you've typed in the new name, click Save. This will apply the change and update the group name in Microsoft Teams. After saving, you should immediately see the new name displayed at the top of the chat, and that's all it takes to rename a Microsoft Teams group. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference when it comes to staying organized and helping everyone in the chat know exactly what the group is for. If the change doesn't appear right away, give Teams a moment to refresh, or switch to another chat and then come back. In most cases, the update should show up quickly. Now you know how to change a Microsoft Teams group name in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.